Alright, and this caliper is replaced. You know, that's the reason to call in. It's leaking around the seal right here from somebody improperly installing the last brake pads. And also replacing this rubber line, it was real bad right here, and if I was to get it out of there, I believe it might have just started leaking, but it would have anyway. I know that much. And so I went ahead and replaced that. I didn't want to put it back on there, like, not on my call kind of thing. So I got you patched up. I'm gonna throw a tire back on there. Alright, just documenting from previous repair. I already replaced the caliper on the other side. It was from improper assembly. Last time somebody put some brake pads on this, they didn't have the tool, the caliper press, and they tore up the rubber boots. This one's wet because I sprayed stuff on it. It's not leaking yet, however, it will eventually. That was the cause of the other one over there. The rubber boot was tore and the seal got mangled, so it started leaking brake fluid. Like I said, this one's not leaking yet, but it will eventually.